bought this car out for $175. Virtually all the parts on the car are reused, repurposed, recycled. Over the years, this car got transformed from a almost throwaway car to what you see today. There's very little planning that goes into it. It's more thought comes in my gray matter and I apply it. I had made a decision to just make the car into a project that would basically never end. I just keep adding and building onto it as thoughts come into my head. The car got a specific name of Scrappy, the recycled beetle, because all the parts on the car are used, repurposed. They were thrown out and I would grab them out of scrap piles. About the only new part on the car, when the engine got rebuilt, I put some new pieces in there and the battery. Used tires, used wheels, no end of discarded parts that got repurposed. The seats are pallet board. The front bumper is a leaf spring. As you can see, I have a collection of license plates that have been around for a while. This Wolfberg hood crest I've probably owned for close to 55 years. I like it because no matter what I want to do, you can do whatever you want to it and it doesn't change the value of the car. I can just do it